present the E-Assembly on the topic gratitude, and we'll start with the Gayatri Mantra. And the thought for the day is, life is like a book, some chapters sad, some happy and some exciting. But if you will never turn the page, you will never get to know what the next chapter holds.
Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness.
कृतज्ञता अर्थात अपने प्रति किए गए किसी दूसरे के नेक कार्य को याद रखना.
Gratitude opens the door to more relationships.
Gratitude improves the physical health.
Gratitude enhances empathy and reduces aggression.
Good morning. Making a commitment to writing down good things each day makes it more likely that we will notice good things as they happen.
Gratitude improves psychologically health.
I am thankful to all my teachers for providing me with all the knowledge and moral support and for all the efforts to make me grow.
I am grateful to the people who make me happy. They are the charming gardeners who make my soul blossom.
I am thankful to Advait for presenting us a beautiful Gayatri month. Gayatri month provides mental peace and relaxation. Thank you.
Good morning. We should always thankful to all the person who are supporting directly or indirectly in our life. Thank you.
I am thankful for the beauty of nature, which reminds me to slow down and take a deep breath.
जिससे पथ पर स्नेह मिला उस राही को धन्यवाद. जीवन अस्थिर अनजाने ही हो जाता पथ पर मेल कहीं. सीमित डगपग लंबी मंजिल तय करना कुछ खेल नहीं. दाएं बाएं सुख दुख चलते सम्मुख चलता पद का प्रमाण. जिससे पथ पर स्नेह मिला उस राही को धन्यवाद. उस राही को धन्यवाद.
Everyone, please get ready for Sanskrit prayer. Please close your eyes and join your hands. Om Bhagavate Namaha. Om Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Pitrabhyam Namaha. Om Matrabhumyai Namaha. हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसरित हो।